keep working. And what is it you're working?
Oh.
Hey, wait, what are you working?
Asparagus. Ooh.
So you're power cleaning.
Yeah.
What was that?
Had to fart, sorry.
Oh, okay.
Oh! Oh! I threw the wrong end in the garbage.
Alright, well, take care of it.
Oh.
Why is it coming towards me?
Good question. Over there. All your feces, right there.
Wait a minute. Show me?
Look at that. All your feces, right there.
Oh.
And all the bad feces are right there in the garbage. Well, most of them are laying on the floor.
You
but
shouldn't say that word. I guess it is better than other words, huh?
Yeah, but it's alright. Most of them got on the floor.
Alright, pick up all the other ones.
This big one right here. Oh! Yeah, right there.
Let me see.
Let's do the good stuff. Put that one in there. And you just keep this right in here.
Boy, this is like a cooking show. Cooking with Lewis.
Yeah.
And that's how the show ends, right?
Yeah, just,
Are you tenderizing the meat?
yeah, tenderize the meat. Just stop.
And that is this how we cook? Hey, hey, hey. Those are very expensive pieces of steak. You don't want to mess with them too much. Okay. All right, turn around. Say, Cooking with Louie, signing off. What's that?
Garlic.
Piece of garlic? Do you like garlic?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, good. All right. See you later. I'm going to teach you how to clean the garlic next.